And the rain made for a very interesting race and an interesting weekend for many of us. The outlook for this week, yes, more rain, staying unsettled. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain. As Ranveer said, it does feel like it could be autumn, maybe even winter for many of us. And we are 1 week into July, and these are some of our rainfall totals. And at the moment, many areas have had all the July rainfall they should have in just 1 week. And yes, if you're heading to Wimbledon or planning to watch, looks like the roof will have further action this week. Good morning to you. Many of us had a very wet weekend of weather, and there's a very wet week of weather ahead of us yet again. It is largely dry this morning to start, fresh as well, but rain will tot up. Now, over the last 7 days, the first week of July, we have seen these rainfall totals. This is more than we should see for the whole month of July, and we've had that in just 1 week. And it's because low pressure's been close by. One brings up a band of rain today, and it stays with us for the first part of the week at least, bringing with it showers. High pressure moves in to the end of the week, and that makes things turn more settled. But this morning, yes, it is dry initially, but then cloud and rain will move in with further heavy showers in the north. So the latest satellite and radar shows it is largely dry. But here, a weather front in the Channel moves its way northwards. So it clouds over through southern areas of England. Rain arrives this morning, and that all moves north as we head through the next 24 hours. From the Midlands northwards, it's sunny spells and scattered showers. But temperature-wise, we're looking at between 16 and 21 degrees. That is around about where it should be for the time of year, but with the cloud and rain in the south, it will feel disappointingly cool. So, how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, it stays as it has done for the last week. It stays unsettled, it stays cool, it stays cloudy and wet. So our outlook for the north of the UK, first of all, looking at our temperatures, this is where our average should be, around about 18 degrees, and it sits around about where it should be for the majority of the week. How about percentage chance of rainfall? How wet it is likely to be over the next 7 days? Well, we have heavy showers around through the next few days. I think the computer graphics are freaking out by how much rain there is over the next few days, but then things look as though they could turn drier into the weekend. Looking at our fortunes further south for England and Wales, that's away from the far north of England. Temperatures again sitting around about average at best. There is no warm weather in the forecast for the next week, but percentage chance of rainfall. Low pressure starts the week. It is cloudy, it is wet, we have rain and we have showers, but hints from the end of the week into the weekend, things turn drier. So yes, the sun is shining for now, but is it going to rain? I'm not ruling anything out. Now, it is clear, that means with clear skies you have sunshine, but it also means it is a chilly start to the day. Now, as we head through it, we have showers across northern areas, but there's cloud and rain moving into the south. So the latest radar shows that it is dry first thing this morning, but the sun's shining there in Westminster, but it won't for long because, as we've had all weekend, heavy rain and showers in the forecast, and we have an unsettled week of weather ahead for many of us. Low pressure moves in, bringing cloud, wind and rain from the south. Further north, it's a story of sunshine and showers. This is the very latest satellite and radar. Clear sky. Good morning to you. After a wet weekend of weather, it is dry to start for many of us, but it won't last that long because a band of cloud and rain moves up from the south, and further north it's a story of sunshine and showers. So this is the very latest satellite and radar. Patchy cloud to the north and south, but a band of rain through the Channel, and it's that moves in the coming hours. So the next few hours, southern England, cloudy with light patchy rain, and this patchy rain moves through southern Wales and the Midlands. Later on this evening, heavier rain moves in across the south, but for Scotland, northern England, Northern Ireland, sunny spells, isolated showers, and temperatures sit around about average.